When it comes to improving sexual performance, many people immediately turn to medications like Viagra. But what if there was a natural, safe, and effective alternative that you could make at home? This powerful remedy is packed with aphrodisiac-rich nutrients that naturally enhance libido, improve circulation, and boost sexual stamina, without the side effects of synthetic drugs. Whether you're looking for a natural performance enhancer or simply want to support your overall sexual health, this simple homemade drink can help. Homemade Viagra recipe. Ingredients you will need: freshly squeezed lemon juice, watermelon. Follow these preparations step by step. Step 1. Cut the watermelon into small pieces. Step 2. Blend the pieces until you have about a liter of fresh watermelon juice. Step 3. Pour the juice into a pot and bring it to a boil. Step 4. Add the freshly squeezed lemon juice to the boiling watermelon juice. Step 5. Stir the mixture well and continue boiling until the liquid reduces to half its original amount. Step 6. Remove from heat and let it cool for about an hour. Step 7. Transfer the cooled mixture into a clean glass bottle. Step 8. Store it in the refrigerator. How to consume this powerful drink. Start with 2 tablespoons to 1/3 cup per serving. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening before bedtime for the best results. To maximize its effectiveness, reduce your intake of sugars and salts, as they can counteract the benefits of improved blood circulation. For consistent results, drink this mixture regularly for at least a few weeks. Many people start noticing improvements in sexual stamina, energy levels, and overall well-being after a few days of consumption. User experiences and real-life case studies. Many individuals have reported noticeable improvements in their sexual performance after incorporating this natural remedy into their routines. For instance, James, a 45-year-old from California, struggled with mild erectile dysfunction and low energy levels. After consuming this watermelon lemon juice mixture daily for 2 weeks, he experienced enhanced stamina, better circulation, and a boost in libido, allowing him to regain confidence in his intimate life. Similarly, another case involved Daniel, a 50-year-old who had been experiencing decreased libido and a lack of sexual drive. After a month of consistently consuming the remedy, he reported a significant improvement in arousal, firmer erections, and enhanced overall performance, making a positive impact on his relationship. Why this remedy works. Watermelon is packed with essential nutrients that enhance sexual health. It contains citrulline, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation, acting similarly to Viagra. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, boosts blood flow for better arousal and stamina, while arginine increases nitric oxide production, further enhancing circulation and sexual function. Additionally, its vitamin C and a content supports immunity, skin health, and overall vitality. Lemon juice enhances absorption, improves blood circulation, and provides antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support heart health, key for sustained sexual performance. Additional health benefits. Beyond its role in enhancing sexual function, this natural remedy offers a variety of health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. The high water content in watermelon helps keep the body hydrated, supporting optimal organ function and preventing dehydration-related fatigue. The presence of natural enzymes and fiber aids digestion, promoting gut health and reducing bloating. Additionally, the rich antioxidant profile of both watermelon and lemon juice helps combat oxidative stress, lowering inflammation and supporting a stronger immune system. This drink is also beneficial for heart health, as its ability to improve blood circulation can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Furthermore, the amino acids found in watermelon assist in muscle recovery, making this an excellent post-exercise beverage. Many users also report an increase in energy levels and stamina, making this an all-around performance booster, not just for sexual health, but for daily activities as well. Who can benefit from this drink? Men experiencing mild erectile dysfunction, ED. This natural alternative helps improve circulation, which is essential for a strong and lasting erection. Women looking to boost libido. The nutrients in watermelon enhance blood flow, increasing sensitivity and arousal. Anyone looking for a natural performance booster. Whether it's for better stamina in the bedroom or overall energy levels, this drink provides a natural boost. People looking to support heart health. Improved circulation is not just for sexual performance, but also for long-term cardiovascular well-being. As we wrap up, remember that this simple homemade remedy is a natural and effective way to enhance performance, improve circulation, and support overall well-being. Give it a try and let us know your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more natural health tips. And if you're looking for more powerful remedies, check out our next video. Just click on the screen. See you there.